How to make Emacs truly full screen on startup. I want Emacs to be truly maximized on startup. There are solutions to the problem that just make the Emacs window width of the screen. That's not enough for me. I want the Emacs window to be docked to the right upper corner of the screen so that when I press there with a mouse, I will close Emacs, not Firefox or Crusader or whatever is maximized in the background. I tried to do it with Quinn, but no luck. P.S. I'm using Kubuntu, and Emacs is quite fresh 123.2 or something like that.
I've taken this from somewhere on Emacs Wiki, some time ago. Note that I no longer use it, as I've switched to DWM to have everything full screen, but it used to work. If you want it to run on startup, you should be able to add to your .emacs. Edit, rereading your question, I think this is not what you want. This will go really full screen, not maximized, you will not have any close button. This one should do. Now it's directly from this URL.
Here are two non-Lisp ways to achieve the same. Alias your Emacs command to Emacs, fs. Add this line of code to your .basic file in your home directory. Personally, I don't like this approach because I wouldn't want Emacs to start up in full screen all the time and would like some control. My solution, in Ubuntu, you can assign a keyboard shortcut to full screen, any window. This seems to be the most convenient and simple option. Besides, it has the advantage that the same shortcut also applies to all your applications.
Put W32 send system command $xf030 on your .emacs file. I think it solves your problem. Works on Windows only.
If you would like to toggle full screen in Emacs with the F11 key, add the following to .emacs. If you want the full screen Emacs to be very minimal, no toolbar, scroll bar, or menu bar, also add.
I currently use Emacs version 28.2 on Windows, and a minimal solution is adding the line below to the Emacs configuration at tilde.emacs.dinit.l, different under Unix.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.